Now we are going to troubleshoot why it is not pinging. So we will first go to this 2016 server. We are going to check the settings of the firewall. So we will say open network and sharing. So we are going to say window firewalls. So turn firewall on or off. So we are going to off. So that means we are now turning off the firewall. Same thing we will do on Windows system, 10 system. We will go there. So we will go to the firewall settings. So we will check where are the firewall settings are there. Window firewalls. Now it is 3 type of firewall. It is showing domain network, private network. So we are going to disable all those. So we are going to say off. Yes. Then we will move back. Then we will go to the this one. This way you have already off. So we will go to the private network. Off. Yes. Then we will go to public network. So yes. Again we will go to this system and we will try to ping. Now we are able to ping. That means no issue regarding this CLS. That means now it is pinging. Let me clear the screen. With the T command, you can specify what will happen. It will continuously go on pinging. So with Control C you have to cancel. And you can ping with the name also. So let us check. Ping C16. So what is happening? It is pinging through the IPv6 address, but we are not interested in that. So sometimes we have to specify -4 also. That means we just want to perform ping for. So that means we are able to ping by name also. Same way what we can do. Now if we are going to check, now we are able to ping. Then let us clear the screen. Let us see whether we are able to ping by name or not. C10. Again it is performing ping using IPv6 address. So you can specify that we want to. So it is easy to remember the name. That means our networking is working properly. So later on what we will try to do, we will try to share some folder here and then try to access it from the window 10. So that we are going to look at in the next videos. So in our case we were able to perform the window networking, which is very simple. That means you have to just give the IP addresses and then if the connectivity is still not there, then turn off the firewall.